create an index, aka a unique number for each song. So what we're going to start with is, first of all, create a new column. Insert one column left, or you can also just click here, insert one column left, and we'll call this index. And we can start off by, we can just type in 1, 2, 3, but we don't want to have to do that for all of them. So what we can do instead is set this equal to the one above it plus 1, right? And then we can, we have a little formula. We can double click on that and drag it down, and hopefully it goes all the way to the bottom. Yep, okay. Now this is a crucial, it's kind of a tricky step though. Some people, well, just kind of trust me on this. So first of all, we have our little formulas in here, but that gets thrown off. It doesn't actually function like a true index. So what we want to do is we want to copy, and then we want to repaste in the same spot. Be careful to click on, you want to paste it right in here using special paste, the values only, right? So it looks the same, but if you click on the individual cells, you see up here that it's just the number. There's no more formulas in there, okay? That's good. So if we were to, oops, I gotta select my range. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shuffle this, randomize range, and great, all of the songs shuffle around and the indexes follow them, right? And if I want to go back to the original, I can click here and sort the index by A to Z. Sort index A to Z, and we have our original order here.